Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, we are going to conquer another space of spring decorating. As you can see around me, I have a pretty boring setup going on right now. I'm going to show you with just a few things that I got this year, how I can turn this into this. So first things first, I'm going to decorate this area. Now, as you can tell, this is not how my couch usually looks. This is a white slipcover that I got for this couch, and it gives me endless possibilities to do whatever I want to. Now, this being my inspiration, I was going to put this on here, and I actually did get another one, but when I put them together on there, it was a little busy. So I had to come up with something else to do. So if you saw my Christmas walkthrough or any of my Christmas videos, you've seen these pillows. These are the mermaid pillows from Pier 1. They can do whatever you want to them. So I thought since I'm adding some gold touches into my room, I could get away with using these. Now that's all well and great, but I really want to bring in that blue color. So I got these blue pillows. They came in a 2-pack. They were from Big Lots. So my plan was I was going to put them like this. But here's the problem with that. If you notice, these are almost the same size. I'm going to show you a little trick to where you can kind of stagger them to where you get different heights. I have this gold pillow. I'm going to push it up against the back of the chair and have it straight up. The next pillow, I'm going to take it, and instead of laying it straight like this, I'm actually going to push it down to where it is at a little bit of an angle. Now, do you see what that does? The gold is over here, and then you also see it across the top here. Now, if they were stacked on top of each other, that would cover up a lot of the gold back there. So by doing it this way, it gives us our different heights. All right, so now we are over at this chair, and as much as I love this fabric, it is not going with the rest of my theme at this current point in time. Now, I had a plan to get another slipcover to match the couch, but with timing, that did not happen. So let me show you what I'm gonna do here. When I got this pillow, my plan was that it was going to be big enough and it was going to distract you from all of this going on here. Well, guess what? That is not the case. So I have this fur blanket. You've seen this at Christmas time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the corner right here and I'm just going to bunch it right across the back. Look at how this ends at the bottom here. I have a point. I'm going to not center it, I'm going to make it off center. Look how that pillow pops now. All I did after I got this chair done is I took another one of these pillows from Williams-Sonoma and I placed it on my other chair. This, I started off with a white table runner. You know what, guys? You've actually seen this before. Does this look familiar? So here's what I did. I took it, flipped it over backwards. Now, unfortunately, I can't iron this, so this wrinkle, I'm just going to use it to my advantage. This is the middle. So I got this. This is a hurricane lantern from Pottery Barn. So I'm going to take that and put that in the center of the table. Then I just have one of these flameless candles. These are amazing. So I'm going to sit that in the middle. Now I want to bring some blue into this setting as well. So I got a couple of these candles. These are from Bath & Body Works, and they're in this beautiful blue jar. I'm going to take these, I'm going to center them on each side of this lantern, and we're done. You know, I gotta say, even doing a few small changes and using a lot of stuff that I already had, I feel like I am in a complete different space now. So here's what I want you guys to take away from this video. I I want you to see that you don't have to go out and buy all brand new stuff to create a brand new space for yourself. I had a lot of this stuff already, and I bought cheap and expensive things that I knew I could incorporate with the things that I already had to give me a whole new look. And I'm thinking it looks pretty luxurious too. What do you guys think? All right, if you haven't already, subscribe down below. And if you have any comments or questions, let me know. I will be happy to answer them. And I love hearing from you guys. All right, I'm gonna go relax, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.